when the heat coming into your backyard, what would you do? Would you afraid, scare, hide, or you would raise up and start helping to your neighborhood?
Come on, this is our time to be light and to be hands for those who are in need. So all this neighborhood behind us was affected by direct heat of the rocket. Actually, the heat was just about 300 meters from our home, which is a very close direction. Our home, thank God, is safe. Thank you for your prayers. We had only one window broken, so which is good. But already in this evening, we will pack packages, and together with our partners, we're gonna deliver the first essential help for evacuees, because I approximate 500,000 people will be evacuated from this neighborhood to nearby hotels. And this evening, we will be together with our volunteer team and helping those who are in need because of your generous donation, because of your support. We're so thankful that you're standing with us, that you're sending us your help and your support and your prayers. Thank you very much. We will be updating you soon.